Recovering deleted messages on Google Meet can be challenging, as the platform does not have a built-in feature for message recovery. However, there are a few steps you can take to try to retrieve lost information. Step 1. Check Google Meet history. Log into your Google account and navigate to Google Meet. Check your meeting history to see if the messages were saved during the meeting. Step 2. Review Google Chat. If you use Google Chat during the meeting, check your chat history. Open Google Chat and look for the conversation related to the meeting, as messages may still be accessible there. Step 3. Access Google Drive. If you recorded the meeting, check your Google Drive. Open Google Drive and look for any recordings or transcripts that may contain the messages you are trying to recover. Step 4. Contact Google Support. If you are unable to find the messages through the previous steps, consider reaching out to Google Support. They may be able to assist you in recovering any lost data, depending on the circumstances. Step 5. Implement preventative measures. To avoid losing messages in the future, consider taking notes during meetings or using a dedicated chat tool for important discussions. Regularly saving important messages can help prevent loss. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Google Meet may not always be possible, following these steps can help you explore potential options for retrieval.